Solve by graphing 2x plus y equals 3 and 4x plus 2y equals 6. So one thing we can do is use the intercepts to graph each equation. So for 2x plus y equals 3, we're going to set x equal to 0 to find our y-intercept. So when we do that, we get 2 times 0 plus y equals 3. Or 2 times 0 is 0, we get y equals 3. So our point is at 0, 3. Now we're going to set y equal to 0 and find x. So now we get 2x plus 0 equals 3. So now we get 2x equals 3. We're going to isolate our variable by dividing both sides by 2. When we do that, we get x equals 3 over 2. So our second point is at 3 over 2, 0. So we can plot this where we're at 0, 3, which is here. And for our second point, it's at 3 over 2, or 1.5, 0. So we draw a line between our points. Now for our second equation, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to set x equal to 0. So when x equals 0, we get 4 times x, or 4 times 0, plus 2y equals 6. So now we get 4 times 0 is 0, we get 2y equals 6. So we're going to isolate our variable by dividing both sides by 2. We get y equals 3. So our point is at 0, 3. So now we're going to set y equal to 0 and solve for x. So when we do that, we get 4x plus 2y, or 2 times 0, equals 6. So now we get 4x equals 6. Isolate our variable by dividing both sides by 4. We get x equals 6 over 4. We can reduce this by dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. When we do that, we get 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we get 3 over 2. So our second point is at 3 over 2, 0. So we can plot this. So our point is at 0, 3, which is here. And our second point is at 3.2, or 1.5, 0, which is here. And we're going to draw a line through our 2 points. Now, because the two equations have the same solutions, because the graphs of the two equations in the system are the same line, any ordered pair that is a solution of one equation is a solution of the other, and consequently a solution of the system. So this system has an infinite number of solutions, namely all points that are solutions of either line. So one way we can describe this is we can say that the set of all ordered pairs are solutions to the equations.